ডেইলি কলকাতা নিউজে আপনাদের স্বাগত জানাই। দিনের গুরুত্বপূর্ণ খবরের দিকে নজর রাখুন।
How to collect all of our party hard disk, the candidate list, the party strategy, the party plan. Is it the duty of the ED and Amit Shah, the nasty home minister, the naughty home minister who cannot protect the country and is taking away all my party documents? If I raid the BJP party office, what will be? What will be the result? They didn't have any guards. One side the SIR case, they are deleting all the names of the Bengal people. More than 2 crore people, 1.5 crore people are being called. 54 lakhs are being deleted without any asking their details. They are using WhatsApp only, and because of election they are collecting all my information of my party. देखो मैंने सब लेके आया because I rang up Pratik because he is the in charge of my party. So my hard disk, see, phone, hard disk, all they are collecting, and they have already attacked my IT office also. In fact, sector 5 I am going there also.
চ্যানেলের আরও খবর দেখতে চ্যানেলটিকে লাইক করুন, সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আর কমেন্ট করে আপনাদের মূল্যবান মতামত দিন।